Sinergi Panggung Lestari is a factory who manufactures pure 100% unrefined Tamanu oil with cold press method. Their quality assurance with control at every stage and supplies it to the cosmetics and skin health industry. Tamanu oil is a plant-based oil that contains fatty acids such as palmitic, stearic, linoleic, oleic, and coumarins. These various ingredients are useful for antibacterial, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-acne, skin regeneration, and skin moisturizer. In order to produce high-quality pure Tamanu oil, we assist more than 100 locals and apply natural production methods with various food-grade machines. The production process begins with the collection of dried Tamanu fruit under its tree at the virgin source by our farmer partners spread in various parts of Indonesia. Our partners are able to supply 30 tons of Tamanu fruit as raw material per month. When the Tamanu fruit arrives at our factory, the locals take participation in extracting the kernels. More than 100 people are involved in this process. This is how we empower the people in the village. Then the nuts will be sorted to maintain the quality assurance in producing the oil. The kernels are sun-dried for 5 days and proceeded to drying machine. Tamanu oil production is carried out by the unrefined cold press method, which is the process of extracting oil from Tamanu fruit at normal temperatures or without any temperature treatment. Compared to the hot press technique, the cold press process is more ideal for maintaining the quality of the content. The cold pressed Tamanu oil is then filtered to separate the drugs. The clear oil is immediately packed using 1 liter to 30 liter jerry cans. Within a day, our factory is able to produce 200 kilograms of pure Tamanu oil. We distribute the oil to various companies that need Tamanu oil as raw material, both domestically and abroad. In the distribution process, we maintain product safety. We are Sinergi Panggung Lestari, the Indonesian leading manufacturer of Tamanu oil.